What is caste? Caste can be defined as a hereditary endogamous group having a common name, common traditional occupation, and common culture, relatively rigid in matters of mobility, the distinctiveness of status, and forming a single homogeneous community. The caste system is a social hierarchy in India originally based on a person's occupation and birth. It divides society into different groups called caste, which are further subdivided into subcaste. The four Varna, Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya, and Shudra are the classical four divisions of Hindu society. In practice, however, there have always been many subdivisions, jatis of these Varnas, which today connote castes in India. What are the main features of the caste system? Segmentary division of society. Indian society is primarily divided into different castes. Caste membership is determined by birth and not by accomplishment. Hierarchy. Castes have a specific scheme of social and ritual hierarchy. A sense of high and low, superiority and inferiority is associated with this gradation or ranking. Restrictions on feeding and social interaction. There are restrictions on the kind of food that can be eaten together, received or exchanged among castes. The ideology of purity and pollution. Ideology of purity and pollution regulates the interaction between different castes significantly. Restriction on endogamy. Endogamy or marriage within one's own caste or subcaste is an essential feature of the caste system. Rules governing caste system. There is a prescribed set of norms, values, and sanctions that govern social behavior within a caste. Restricted choice of occupation. Traditionally, each caste was associated with an occupation. For example, the Brahmins who occupied the uppermost rank were prescribed the duties of acquiring and teaching sacred knowledge and performing sacrifices, while lower castes such as Dalits were historically restricted to jobs such as manual labor. What are the factors that contribute to the changes in caste system? Several factors have contributed to changes in the caste system in India over time, which are as follows. Sanskritization. It is a process by which any low caste could adapt to the behavior pattern culture of the high caste and claim membership in that high caste. As lower castes adopt the customs and practices of higher caste, they may be accepted and respected by members of higher caste, which can help to reduce discrimination and social stigma. Westernization. Western style education has led to a greater emphasis on merit and individual achievement than traditional caste based roles and hierarchies. As people adopt Western style clothing, food, and other cultural practices, they may also adopt new ideas and values. Modernization. It includes establishing scientific, technological, and educational institutions, the rise of nationalism and new political culture and leadership in the country, which lead to job creation, thereby breaking the occupational rigidity of the caste system. Industrialization and urbanization. Industrial growth and expansion of urban space have provided new sources of livelihood to people and made occupational mobility possible. Taboos against food sharing started weakening when industrial workers from different castes lived and worked together. Political and economic reforms. Various political and economic reforms were initiated after independence in the country, which led to several changes after independence. Indian government has implemented policies such as reservation in education and government jobs for individuals from lower caste to address historical discrimination and provide equal opportunities. Why is caste-based discrimination continuing even in the present times? Despite various efforts, discrimination and prejudice continue to be prevalent. The following are the reasons: lack of enforcement and implementation of laws and policies. To address this issue, additionally, caste-based discrimination is often subtle, making it difficult to detect and address. Lack of awareness about the caste system and its impact on individuals, which can make it difficult for individuals to recognize and challenge discrimination. Poverty and lack of education can exacerbate the problem, as individuals from lower caste may have limited opportunities and be more vulnerable to discrimination. Many people continue to hold caste-based biases and prejudices, which leads to caste-based discrimination. What are the new identities of the caste system in modern times? The caste system in India has undergone significant changes in modern times, and new identities have emerged that reflect these changes. A few new identities of the caste system are as follows: caste in governance and politics. Certain caste have been provided reservation in government jobs and political representation. Caste system in business. Certain castes dominate certain industries and control access to resources and opportunities. Caste association. Formal organization often encompass several endogamous castes or jatis of a similar name, occupation, and rank. Demand for reservation. Various communities across India, including the Jats in Haryana, the Marathas in Maharashtra, and the Kapus in Andhra Pradesh, have demands for reservation in the form of quotas in education and employment. Legal provision. The Protection of Civil Rights Act 1955 to prescribe punishment for preaching and practice of untouchability for the enforcement of any disability arising therefrom and for matters connected therewith. The Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe Prevention of Atrocities Act 1989 to prevent the offences of atrocities against the members of the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes. The prohibition of employment as manual scavengers and their Rehabilitation Act 2013 to provide for the prohibition of employment as manual scavengers, rehabilitation of manual scavengers and their families, and for matters connected therewith. What steps can be taken to placate the ill effects of the caste system? There are steps that can be taken to placate the ill effects of the caste system. Spread of education. Caste feelings should be discouraged in an educational institution, and the students should be taught to resist their feelings whether they experience them in daily social interaction. Proper implementation of the law. Ensure strict implementation of the Atrocities Act as regards victims of violent abuse and other atrocities. Each police station should have a scheduled caste, scheduled tribe atrocities cell to handle investigation of abuses and alleged violation of the Atrocities Act. Economic empowerment. Economic empowerment can help those who have been marginalized due to their caste by providing them with opportunities to improve their economic status. Public awareness campaigns. Public awareness campaigns can help raise awareness about caste-based discrimination. These campaigns should promote social harmony, a message that everyone is equal regardless of their caste or social status.